I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. We will be talking about graphic novels. So अभी जो recently हमारे पास paper देखा गया उसके अंदर there were questions related to gay literature, magazines related to lesbian studies and gay literature, and graphic novels are becoming very famous. Questions related to movies and the adaptations as well as ऐसी कुछ novels जो movies जो novels आई हैं बनी हैं, ये सब भी पेपर में आने लगा है. So let us discuss about graphic novels this time. Graphic novels and comic, उनके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So what exactly is a graphic novel? Graphic novel होता क्या है? So there is juxtaposition of multiple pictorial images, like pictorial descriptions, as well as images that have a deliberate sequence intended to convey a particular information or a story, and this is going to create an aesthetic response when a viewer is going to see it. इस तरीके की graphical pictorial representation which is going to impact a person is called as a graphic novel. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? graphic novel है. So here this picture in front of you, ऐसे बहुत सारी different strips, comic strips जैसा आप कह सकते हो, फिर ऐसे pictorial descriptions आपको मिलती हैं in a proper sequence manner. It is a way to express multiple ideas, and it is the medium that is shown, that is used to tell a particular story, like painting or like a film, like a painting or a film. It has a particular format that is defined, and here you use images in a sequential manner. किस manner में? Sequential manner में हम इसको use करते हैं. Let's go forward. Okay, so it is Alan Moore who gave the description of graphic novels. It was given that they are expensive comic books. So Alan Moore says, Alan Moore is perhaps the most acclaimed writer in the graphic story medium, and he is the one who defined the graphic novels for the first time as the novels that are that have multiple you can say pictures around it, and how they are the ones who are going to create a comic effect when the readers are going to read it. So the name of Alan Moore is very famous whenever we talk about the graphic novels, right? इनका नाम काफी important है, so read a little bit about him. A graphic novel can be a novel or can be a work that is talking about action or an adventure, where you have splashbuckers or you can have superheroes, but there is also theme about which the story is talked about. So there is a biography, there can be graphic novels about a particular scenario that is comic in nature, they can be documentary in nature, it can have historic references, fantasy, it can be horror as well, like zombies include कर सकते हैं, mafia, gangsters, mystery, road trips, romance, science fiction, vampire, war, etc. These are the multiple themes that can be there. राइट. सो जरूरी नहीं है आपकी ग्राफिक जो नॉवेल्स हैं दे आर ओनली अबाउट एक्शन एंड एडवेंचर. दे कैन ऑल्सो इनकॉर्पोरेट लार्जर देन लाइफ इमेजेस. दे कैन हैव मल्टीपल थीम्स लाइक बायोग्राफी ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, कॉमेडी, documenting something, then historic drama, fantasy, film noir, or horror, etc. A graphic novel, then you can say, have words and have art. So art तो हमेशा होती है, लेकिन words आपको कभी कभी नजर आ सकते हैं. So this example will help you understand what exactly is a graphic novel. Pictorial representation देकर आपको कोई story बताई जा रही है. There can be words included. It can be there or it cannot be there. That is up to the writer. For example, कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है, इसे sound effect देने के लिए जैसे honk honk लिख दिया है, ठीक है, तो कुछ words हैं. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है, बट आर्ट इज ऑलवेज देयर. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मतलब पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन हमेशा होगी. देन talking about graphic novels, we have to discuss that there are certain themes that are or certain details that are always there in any graphic novel. What is it? What are the particular things that you will always find in a graphic novel? There is a particular plot. There is always a particular story that is seen when you read the work. There are different characters who are talking. There will be bubbles जो उनकी उनके thought process को आपको explain कर रहे हैं. डायलॉग्स मेंटेन होंगे, सेटिंग होगी, एंड देयर इज द इफेक्ट दैट इज सीन ऑन द ऑडियंस. Also, there is a particular style, a lot of colors is used, a particular design, symbolic representations are there, different perspective is there, and lettering. थोड़े से आपको words भी नजर आएंगे. There are important words that you have to remember about graphic novels. तो कुछ vocabulary like gutters, layout, panel, sound representation, speech balloon, and thought balloons. These are certain things that you always find. So जैसे कि अगर आप देखोगे पैनल क्या होता है, what is a panel? Sometimes the physical page functions as the panel. So this page where you have the comic, where you have the graphic representation, this page, it is called as a panel. ये क्या है? ये एक पैनल है जिसपे आर्टिस्ट ने पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशंस आपको दी हैं. Occasionally, the panel is only a suggestion for the artist who does not contain the art within the frame. ठीक है, सो जरूरी नहीं है कि बिल्कुल फ्रेम में ही आए, बट इस तरीके से अगर कोई बॉक्स बना के उन्होंने पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? पैनल बोलते हैं. एंड दीज आर द थॉट बैलून्स. थॉट बैलून्स कहते हैं हम इनको. ये क्या है? दे आर स्पीच बैलून्स और द थॉट बैलून्स दैट आर देयर. देन वी हैव द गटर. व्हाट इज द गटर? The space between the panels. So you will see that this box that was chosen by the artist to have a particular representation. Say suppose ऐसी कुछ representation है. So this space that is there, it is called as gutter, and this box that the writer has decided to choose where the story will be shown, it is called as the panel. The space between the two panels. The reading through gutters या फिर the effect that the gutters maintain is extremely it makes a person very curious, right? So it makes you even curious. Then there are multiple sound effects जो आपको देखने को मिलते हैं. The words that are going to give you sound effects like splash, boom, these are certain words that you will always see. So color, font, print, and vocabulary always give you good impact. There are bubbles that are speech and thought bubbles. A balloon is there that is going to talk about the person. जैसे कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा कुछ सोच रहा है, right? It is a time for certain drinks that he is thinking, right? And यहाँ पे these two kids are thinking about something else. So this is a speech or a thought bubble. They are thinking or they are saying something. So this is situational. It carries the certain words according to the situations that are illustrated there. Right? Okay, so this is how a comic looks or a graphic novel looks like. So what is the difference between a graphic novel or a comic book? Graphic novels are different from comic books in different ways. Like जो comic books हैं, comic books are generally fantasy and science fiction. Comic books कैसी होती हैं? Fantasy and science fiction, while graphic novels are more realistic. More realistic होती हैं, वो historical हो सकती हैं, autobiographical हो सकती हैं, और they can be memoir of a particular person also. A comic book is usually in particular series. उसकी क्या आती है? Multiple series आती है. That means that they are intended to come up with new stories every month. So every month आपको new stories दिखेंगी comic की. While graphic novels are one story told in perhaps two or more volumes that reach the end and ultimately they stop. In the mood of comic book, we see that generally suspense and excitement create होती है. The mood of a graphic novel is more serious and more reflective. So let us डिस्कस दिस दोबारा से. ग्राफिक नॉवल जो होगी वो क्या होती है? मल्टीपल जॉनरास इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकती है, मल्टीपल थीम्स इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकती है, नॉट जॉनरास, थीम्स. ग्राफिक बुक जो आपकी होती है बेसिकली फैंटेसी एंड साइंस फिक्शन के थ्रू होती है और वो सीरीज में होती है. सो नई स्टोरीज आती रहेंगी आपके पास, न्यू वेराइटी एवरी मंथ, एंड सस्पेंस और थ्रिल आपको ज्यादा देता है. while more serious and reflectful होता है आपका graphic narratives या फिर graphic novel, and here it is going to reach to a particular end because a particular story is told to you. So then how are comic books and graphics the same, or sorry some different? Same नहीं होगा, ये different है वैसे तो. let us read this. The term gained popularity after the publication of Will Eisner's work A Contract with God. 1978 का वर्क है ये, जो कि सबसे पहले पब्लिश होता है. Just try to ignore this line, ignore it. Let me just hide it for you ताकि confusion ही ना हो. We don't have to go in further intricacies कि कैसे same है और कैसे अलग. Okay. Let us concentrate now on the history of the graphic narratives. So the term graphic narratives, graphic novels gained popularity with the publication of this work by Will Eisner, A Contract with God, in 1978, and the start of Marvel's graphic novel Line in 1982. However, it became familiar with the general public and gained popularity among the readers of the comic community only after the successful commercial success of Art Spiegelman's work Mouse in 1986. The story deals about the experiences of a Holocaust survivor. In 1922, it became the first graphic novel to win the Pulitzer Prize as well. So, firstly, we see a work called as A Contract with God that came into picture. After that, we had Marvel series है, जैसे graphic novel आती है Marvel की, Line, वो भी important होती है. Then ultimately we had a very successful work, Art Spiegelman's work Mouse, which is asked in the paper a lot of times. 1986 का work है. This story deals with the experiences of a survivor जो कि Holocaust में involved थे. And this became a novel that won, a graphic novel that won the Pulitzer Prize. So some other works that you should know and how the graphic novels became important. In 1954, the work Seduction of the Innocent was published. Then in 1978, Contract with God by Will Eisner got published. 1986 के अंदर Frank Miller writes Batman, The Dark Knight Returns. Alan Moore wrote this very important work, The Watchmen, and gave good definition of the graphic novels, and I want you to read this. 1987 में. 1992 में we have Mouse, A Survivor's Tale by Art Spiegelman. This work is going to win the Pulitzer Prize as well. So these are the other works that you can remember, and any of them can be asked in the paper as well. So basically graphic novels and the comics that we have are different, right? पहले अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत सारे लोगों को लगा कि वो सेम है. But gradually people realize that no, they are not same. They have multiple differences and they were taken as separate genres, right? We discussed the differences between them. Then we talked about how the term gained popularity. सबसे ज़्यादा popular Will Eisner का work से करते हैं, अब देखते हैं हम लोग. But उससे भी ज़्यादा famous हो जाता है Art Spiegelman का work Mouse, right? So read about these works. If you know other other comics or other graphic novels, graphic narratives, you can comment them below, and then in the next class in the next video we can discuss about them as well. I hope you understood these things. They are important. बहुत बार पेपर में अब ये सब चीजें आ रही हैं. So write it down. Remember the dates. Also remember the writers and the full title. Okay. I hope you understood all of these things. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy and keep studying.